Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to do a van tour. So this is a van I use to do my mobile mechanic. It's a 2010 Ford Transit Connect XL or Ford Transit Connect. So let's start with the tools. The toolbox is everything that I use. So here, keep my shop rags. On top of here, obviously you see these are parts bins, magnetic parts bin. As you can see, I keep my ratchets and some pry bar with magnets on there, just because I don't have space inside. I could make them fit in this one, but I'm not in the mood to mess with that right now. I'll leave that in there. In there I got my funnels, some brake grease back here, anti-seize and safety glasses, Icon digital torque wrench. This is the Maddox slide hammer. I'd use this for remove hub bearings before. Tire inflator. I keep my lights up here. Gloves over there. Lights up here. Big sockets here. Some other lights here. Swivels. O2 sensor socket. Oil filter socket. This is my battery tester. Top on. Here is the Autoline Pro. This is a smoke machine. This is so you could yeah, the smoke machine. I'll post a picture of what it is. Here is my electrical bag. I got some butt connectors here, splice, crimpers, relay testers, strippers, butt connectors, solder iron, cutters there. This is a coolant and funnel burp kit. Keep that up there. Actually, I was looking for this. These are for like when you work on Hondas. These go right on the well pinch, and this helps so you don't bend in, and so you could lift up on something secure. I lost like 3 of these already because you see it got a magnet in them. So a lot of the times I forget them on the well pinch, and they just fall off while it's on the road. These jack pads, I think these are for Mercedes-Benz, and then these are the ones for BMWs from Amazon. Got them cheap. They mad helpful. Okay, so here we got the socket. I got this where I keep all my sockets. You got 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch here. Brands from Tecton, Sonex, Snap-on to Icon. Whatever it is, I don't give a damn as long as it helps me do the job. These are the Kokins torque sticks. 1/4 inch extensions, Toyota oil filter wrench socket. This is where I keep my wrenches. I mainly work on stuff that uses metric, so mainly everything here is metric. I keep standard shit at I keep my standard wrenches at home. Never had to use them. Well, out on the side job at least, I never had to use them. Here we keep my screwdrivers, bit drivers, bits. This is a specialty pass-through snap-on ratchet. It goes from, I think it's from 8 all the way up to like 13 or so. So this is like the hammer drawer. It's like anything this for filing, hammering, or any kind of persuasion. This is the drawer for that. It's a little bit lackluster, but I haven't missed anything. This is my power tool drawer. MVP right here. I use this everywhere. This Snap-on light, barely use it. .3/8 torque wrench, drill, sawzall. These are some cases. These are a torque set. That's another torque set. Impact driver to remove rotors. Ford F-150 spark plug extractor. Tire plug kit. Flip sockets / turbo sockets. Sockets to remove wheels. This is to compress the piston for brakes, front and rear. over here in this toolbox, here I keep like paperwork, tape, warranty paper, like receipts, stuff for warranty, pen, stuff like that. This one I keep zip ties. This one I keep hardware like bolts. This is mainly like for when I was messing around in my garage. So this is, yeah, it's like, these are not like automotive bolts, so screws and stuff. This is for my house. These are like sawzall blades, grinder wheels, glue gun, razor blades. This one, charging cables, magnets, labels. This one's stuff. This is stuff for home, like my workout stuff. Jump rope, Olympic rings, weights, straps, barbell things, my jigger. So that's it for the back. Now for the side, here's my Milwaukee tower light. This is for when I need lighting. Here's my jack. This is an aluminum 2.5 ton jack from Harbor Freight. I have a 3 ton at home, but I keep this one on me. You know, that's less way I gotta carry around. If I know I'm working on something big and heavy, or I need to inject that real high, I'll grab my 3 ton. Then these are 3 ton jack stands, jumper box. This is for the hood light. The lights are over there. They're the 2 big icon ones, and I just keep this one over here. Here go my ramps. Power inverter. I got a cable going from the battery all the way to over here. I routed it around the back. Here's some propane tanks, small propane tanks with a torch, just in case something needs some persuasion. I got a tarp, some automotive grease, hose clamps, miscellaneous stuff in that box over there. Here I keep coolant, oil, sprays, all that kinds of stuff. I keep all that here. Underneath, like 2 5-gallon gas, just in case somebody called me they're out of fuel. An AC vacuum pump, spare battery, work boots, a shock, and the wood just in case I need to go higher on my aluminum jack. Oil drain bucket. This is just basically a cushion. It's like a creeper, and here's a Harbor Freight creeper. My AC gauges, and up here I got some bolts, and here I got a tap and die set up there. Yeah, and that's it. That's all I keep here. And then here in the front I just got a speaker, and that's it. Yeah, but that's it for my mobile van tour guide.